Hi everyone and welcome. In this home practice session, we're going to explore Urdhva Hastasana. We're using a brick, so this is really going to intensify the arm action in the pose. So first, just place your brick off to the side and draw one arm up. Take your opposite hand and you're going to roll the upper arm in and push it back. And then do the same with the other arm. So that informs you of how the arm should work. Okay, then bring the arms down. And now we'll try with the brick. So you bring the brick between the heels of the hand. So the edge of the brick will be in line with the heel, the root of the heel of each hand, or the palm of each hand. Squeeze the brick, extend the arms, extend the fingers, and then raise the arms up. Ground down through the heels, press the thighs back, move the tailbone in, and use the arms to get length in the side ribs. Try and lift your ribs off of the pelvis and keep that upper arm rotation, rolling the upper arms in and then release. So if that's a little bit difficult, you can always fold your fingers over the brick. It doesn't quite get the same sharpness and intensity, but it gives you the action of the arms. Also, you can see I'm using a wooden brick. If you like, you can use a foam brick as well. And this variation is from our friend Eyal Shifroni's book, Props for Yoga. And just a reminder, he is doing a workshop July 31st to August 3rd, so you're welcome to join us. And there's some information about that in the notes section. Happy practicing and namaste.